The pattern in the box shows part of a tessellation. Extend the tessellation by drawing two more unit shapes in the space provided within the box over here. The difficult part right over here is actually not drawing a tessellation. It's choosing which tessellation to draw that is within the box. That's actually the tricky portion. Now we have to identify where are the open spaces. Obviously it'll be here and then here as well, which means that we can totally ignore all this. Okay, so now I need to identify the one that's easiest to draw, and then I need to start identifying. So I'm going to start shading. Okay, I choose this one, so I pick this one. Okay, then I find the next connecting. The next connecting is not this one, okay, because they are actually different orientation. You see, for this one it actually turns around. It turns around to become this one. You don't pick this one. Okay, pick this one. It's the same orientation. You see, it's the same orientation. So if you were to pick something like that, right, you can draw something over here. This, and this, it goes down one line like this. Okay, so don't go and pick this one. Pick the other one to shade. Now I'm going to use this one. So again, use my strategy. Draw on the existing what you're trying to draw for the new one. Draw on existing. Now I'm drawing this one. Okay, so it will be this one. Then I'm drawing the curved one, so this one will be another one. Then I connect another one, go one time by one time, one line by one line, and you'll be able to get it. You see, it goes like this. This is the benefit of using this method. You will never go wrong. Okay, if you just use your own method and don't know what you're drawing, then yeah. Okay, anyway, moving on. The next open space is actually over here, which means that I have to shade the one that's over here. How come I don't shade this one? Because I looked at this, right? I realized that the third one, right, will exceed the boundary. So which means that I cannot shade this one. And the next nearest I can only shade this one. Because this one is already done, correct? So I only can shade this one. Okay, so I'm going to shade this one. Okay, I'm going to shade the next connecting with the same orientation. Then I know this entire thing, it goes upwards. Correct? Now, again, use my strategy. Draw on the new one. Draw on the existing what you're going to draw on the new one. Okay? So over here, we have, okay, let's try to stack it upwards. I'm going to draw this one. I'm going to draw this one. So this one will be over here. Once you identify one line, right, you win already. Okay, so another one over here, another one over here, another one over here, another one over here. Then it carries on, down, down, right. Oh, done. So it's done already. Okay, so this will be your shape. Okay, always go and identify one line first. Once you identify one line correctly, then you can start doing. Okay, done.